Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use nature to protect your garden. That's right, right behind me, I have my rental. This is the Nifty 34. It goes up to 34 feet high. I'm so nervous, I'm scared of heights. So all my viewers like Cheryl, Raw Honey, y'all say some prayers because I've said a lot. I'm so nervous. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this, but let's go ahead and get the box ready so that we can go ahead and set it up. Oh, by the way, the box is from JCs Wildlife. So if you're in need of a box, they're nice and sturdy, and I'm not affiliated with any of the products that I'm using. I'm just so nervous. Let's go get this box. Oh my goodness, it's going down today. Real quick, I gotta let you know that this video is being sponsored by Quictent. That's right, if you're in need of an affordable greenhouse, they got you. All you gotta do is look at the link down below, but they also have garden supplies. So let's go ahead and get to this owl box. Before I can put this owl box up, it's been a long time overdue. I mean, I was nervous and I'm still nervous because I gotta go way up there. But anyway, I gotta make sure I get my parts in the right location. This is part number 2. This is part 3, and I'll show you part number 1. So I gotta make sure that I line it up 2 inches where my line is at before the actual drop off right here, before it starts to point off, because that's gonna be important. So I got that lined up, and I'm gonna take 5 screws and use my impact drill driver and go straight down. All right, so I'm almost done because I don't want this thing not to be secure, because I got a camera inside, which I'm gonna show you some parts of it as well. All right, so let's line this up. Same thing. I'm gonna use the top 5 screws. I got my line because I got to use the other part of the bracket to drill into the tree. All right, so I'm almost finished. I had it upside down. I'm glad I figured that out before it was too late when I went up to the tree. All right, so now when I get ready to put this up in the tree, it's gonna go up like that. So when it goes onto the tree, I take my owl box and slide it up underneath like that, and it's gonna catch. And then I'll drill into the top for the tree, and hopefully that's gonna hold it. So let's go ahead and try to get it. All right, so here's the antenna that I had to put up for my wireless connection, and I made a little divot into the box so that the wires will be able to go through easy, and when it's not going to hurt the wires. Let me see if I can get y'all a camera shot. All right, there's my baby right there. There's my camera. So we get to check out what the owls are doing, if we get one in there or 2, and then we can see how many voles they catch. I'm back again, tired. My friend helped me out. We moved this back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw this in, because you're not gonna be able to see that. I'm gonna screw this in with 3 bolts. Then that's gonna be set up way up there. Then I will be able to hang the box on top of that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start my drilling. So let me put that down, and let's hope everything works out. I'm going up. I'm gonna push it out a little bit so I can get past these branches so I don't get hit in the face. Hey, is that pose out? That's the alarm.
Is it stop?
No, it ain't stopped, but that's, did we hear that before?
No, but no. I think you're okay though.
Huh?
I think you're okay.
Going up, going up.
Do you want to bring it lower to service it?
I'm about to hang this thing right now.
All right.
That's the way I wanted it.
All right.
All right.
So you're gonna put your bracket on there, right?
Hey, that sound's still on there. Everything look good down there? I don't know why that thing.
You dug in. It's level.
All right. I don't think I'll be able to get them 2 of them in.
That should steady it because it's a very long bolt.
All right, so now I'm gonna try to put the top bolt in. Bolt number 3. Man, I'm scared. No, not scared, nervous. Come on, baby. Get me there. Get me there. All right. All right, so I'm still putting this boat up here, running through some issues, but I'm gonna go ahead and send it anyway. Y'all, I'm nervous as all get out. Oh. All right, now I'm gonna put a boat in the center, and hopefully I ain't gotta come up here no daggone more. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bedding in right now. So I want my little friends to be happy. Put that down up in there, spread it around, give me an owl. Looks good. All right, so I gotta do one more thing. I gotta hang the power cord for my camera. And then the bear is coming down because the bear don't like heights. That's why this has been a nightmare, a daymare, something. I don't know. I gotta get up out of here. Gotta get up, I gotta get it down, I gotta get it down. All right, I'm twisting it. Hopefully it does what it do. Cause I don't want to come back up here. I don't want to come back up here. Now I'm coming down. Yes! It sure is shaking when I'm coming down.
Just come on down with it.
Oh, let me get out this thing. And that is it. Hopefully we'll get an owl up there because we got to get these voles. All right, so we just got done. We're down. This thing is powerful, so if you need a DeWalt power driver, I'll put a link in the description if I can find it. And let me get down for this thing. And just remember, we're gonna use nature to protect our garden. Now we just gotta wait for an owl, and we'll be waiting. All right, see you in the next video.